Salute to my people. How are you all doing? Good to see you once again. Yeah, there's something I want to share with us real quick. And today is Saturday. What is the status or the condition of your automobile conditioning system? Are they in good shape? What are those challenges that you are facing? Are you topping up refrigerant, which is gas, every week or every month or every 2 weeks? If you are doing that, that means there is a leakage in that your system which you need to address before it will lead you to expensive repairs. The worst or the most common issue in automobile air conditioning system is leakage. Yes, leakage. And when that happens, it is the worst enemy to your compressor. The reason why it's the worst enemy to your compressor is that the oil that is in that system will be leaking out from where the refrigerant, which is gas, is also leaking out from. And of course, that oil will not only serve as a lubricant, it also serve as a cooling agent to the compressor. So if the oil is leaking out where the refrigerant is leaking out, it will cause damage to your compressor, and that might lead to black dates. And the most common places that you can find leakage in the air conditioning system is where you have joints, like where hoses have been connected to expansion valve, where hoses have been connected to condenser, connected to compressor. You can find leakage there. And when that happens, means that the O-ring at that point are deformed, and that make the gas to start leaking. Same thing applicable to a solenoid control valve. It might leak where you have the solenoid, meaning that the seal at the solenoid body have deformed and it will start leaking from there. The only option is for you to either change the seal to stop that leakage. Another place is your compressor, either in the main shaft or main seal or your shaft seal. Another hidden place is your spreader valve, where you normally recharge your air AC. That particular spot is called charging port, and what is inside that place is called spreader valve. That spreader valve serves as a one-way valve or serve as a check valve. It only allows something to go inside, or something will not be able to go outside. Meaning that if something start coming out from there, like the oil or gas, refrigerant started leaking from there, mean that that O-ring is bad. Just like what is happening in this automobile air conditioning, this particular unit, you need to be careful who you leave your car for to handle it, so that it will not cause more damages to your car. This is what is called a spreader. This is spreader port, and this is what we call spreader tool remover or core removal tool. Spreader core removal tool. Use it to remove your spreader valve. I will show us the spreader valve, how it look like. This is how it look like. This is called spreader valve. So if the if that valve started leaking in your AC system, meaning that this seal you are seeing here is damaged, to it rise to now allow refrigerant to start escaping from there. And the only way for you to stop that is to replace this cradle valve. But what happened in the case of this particular vehicle that I'm showing here, the AC technician, I don't know what happened if he couldn't find the valve, or he didn't have the right tool to remove the cradle valve. He used a screw to put in there, and that did not serve the purpose. So please be careful who you are giving out your car to for repairs, so that they will not cause more damages that will lead you to expensive repairs. That's the update I have for you. See you some other time. And if you have any issue in your thermal air conditioning system, You can always contact us through this medium, or you locate our office at number 50B Nepa line, Yo, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. Take care of you.